It's a common question people usually ask, like for which breed of dog we should go for or they choose. Actually, it depends on various factors, but important factors are like how much time you can devote towards your pet, because there are so many breeds which need extreme level of exercise, and there are breeds which need moderate level of exercise, and even there are breeds which need only low level of exercise. So if you are rearing a breed that need extreme level of exercise but you're not providing that level of exercise, so you will face problems like these breeds develop aggressions, they will be hard to control. So it is better for peoples like those living in metropolitan cities which are running out of time and they want to have pet dogs. So go for flat dogs. Usually small breeds or small size breeds are known as flat dogs because you can easily keep them in flats and roaming from one room to another room just uh, fulfill the purpose or the needs they require. So before choosing a dog, it's a primary thing like you must ask yourself, are you able to provide that much time that a particular breed needs? Then the second thing is the purpose. If you need a dog as a companion for your children's, then go for those breeds which behave good towards children's, or they are good towards even strangers. Otherwise, you will face problems because if you are choosing German Shepherd, Doberman, Pit Bull, Rottweiler as a companion for your children, then it must be causing problems. So for as a companion, you must go for Labrador or Golden Retriever. The third thing is location. Actually, the foreign breeds that are popular in India, like Labrador, German Shepherd, Pit Bull, Rottweiler, they are usually from European countries, and the climate there is just temperate or cold, so they are just less adaptable to this hot and humid climate of our country. So, so if you are able to provide them just comfort zone, then only you just go for these breeds. Otherwise, you will face problems. You need to have spend more money on their treatments. And at last, I will say like if you want to have a stray dogs or a Indian breed, it is a better option also because these breeds are as much as good as foreign breeds, or I'll say even better than foreign breeds because of having more adaptability and more immunity. And keeping a dog is a responsibility, and I think if you think that you are that much responsible, only then go for keeping a dog. Thank you.